Hello everyone, welcome back to another episode of Tech World.
Hi everyone, welcome back to Tech World. In today's video I'm going to show you how to log into Lloyds bank account. Keep watching the video till the end and don't forget to subscribe to our channel by hitting the subscribe button. Press the notification bell icon so that you never miss another update from us. Started by clicking open a web browser. In the search box, type in Lloyds Bank. Come and press the enter key on your keyboard. You're on tap into the official website of Lloyds Bank. Now if you don't know what Lloyds Bank is, it is a British retail and commercial bank with branches across England and Wales. If you'd like to log into your account on Lloyds Bank, you'll need to click on the Log On button in the top right corner, choose your login type, whether it's personal or business, and click it on. Once you select your choice, you'll need to go ahead and enter your credentials. Now as you log into your account, start by entering your user ID in the text box. Now head over to the next text field and typing the password for your account. Make sure to type in the password correct, and you can double check your password by clicking on the show link right beside your password text box. After everything's done, you can go ahead and click on continue. But in case you don't remember your login details, that is your user ID or your password, you can click on this link right here that says forgotten your logon details. Follow the instructions and either look for your user ID or reset your pathway to a new one that you can remember easily. Make sure to uncheck this box if you're using a public or a shared computer. But if you'd like system to remember your user ID, then you can check this box before signing in. After everything's set, click on continue and you'll be logged into your Lloyds bank account with just a simple few stamp. I hope you found the video to be helpful. If you did, go ahead and give us a thumbs up, comment down below in the comment box. If you have a question or a feedback for us, I'll send you back with more tutorial episode. Goodbye till then.